Hey guys, Stephen Fielders here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Hypertech Speedometer Calibrator, and with Hypertech we have Jim. How you doing, Jim?
Hey, Stephen.
Thanks for coming in today.
Thank you.
So Jim, first of all, tell us, why would we ever need a speedometer calibrator? In what cases would we need that?
Well, the customer base is looking for a speedometer calibrator. Literally anybody puts tires and gears in their vehicle. Smaller, larger, anywhere across the dealership, putting brand new vehicles in a lot, putting larger tires on there. Want that odometer, speedometer to be correct and it to shift properly.
Absolutely, and this will help us do that. And it's as simple as plugging it into the OBD2 port, and that's pretty much it. Is that right?
Yeah, key in the run position, plug it in the OBD2, away you go. Just tell it what tire size and if you change gear ratios or not.
Okay, so moving on to the installation, we do think you can install this model here pretty simply. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it a 1, and you can do this in maybe 5 minutes or less. Now for the inline model, that's actually going to vary so much on your application that I really can't give you an accurate rating, but just know that it will depend on your application. One final thing to note before you close this video out is when you go to measure your tires, once again, this is the key point here, measure those in person. Don't just trust what's on the sidewalls or what's on the manufacturer's website. Measure those for yourself before you plug those into the system and get it right the first time. Okay guys, that's a wrap on the Hypertech Speedometer Calibrator. But before we go, Jim, thank you for coming in today.
Thank you, Stephen.
It's been a great pleasure. Now guys at home, if you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address those for you there. If you want any more information about the product, check the description below the video. We'll have everything for you there, from a part number all the way to a dealer locator, so you can find the calibrator at a dealer near you. If you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.